Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to give you a little update on my hair because a few people asked me if my hair feels dry, if my hair breaks, if I damaged my hair, if I had any issues so far. So the answer is no, my hair doesn't feel damaged at all in my opinion. This feels very healthy. I wish you guys could get your hand through the screen and feel this because in my opinion this feels very healthy. The only part that feels a little bit more dry are the ends, but I guess that's normal because I do flat iron my hair a lot, so I guess that's pretty normal. Also, when you bleach your hair, the ends are very exposed. So the answer is no, my hair doesn't feel damaged at all. If it breaks, well, yes, I noticed that in the shower it gets more tangled and also it breaks pretty easy, but it's nothing crazy. I mean, my hair looks pretty normal and yeah, it doesn't feel damaged at all. I'm trying to be honest with you guys. I got the purple shampoo. This is by the brand Fanola and it says no yellow. They also have one that it says no orange, so I should probably get that one because I still see a hint of orange in my hair. Maybe it's just me, I don't know, but I only used this once, so probably I should use this more than once to see a difference. And also this dries your hair, so I'm trying to use this once a week. And I think that's it. This is my little update on my hair. As I said in my video, if you feel brave enough, do it. Just ask a friend to help you. And I'm going to turn around to show you how it looks in the back. But yeah. So this is how it looks in the back. So as I said, when I bleached my hair, in the back doesn't look that great because you can't see what you're doing in there. But I'm not mad. I mean, I really like the result. Let me know down below if you see a change, like if you see that orange in there, because I still see it like right here. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But as I said, maybe I have to use this more than once to see a difference. So yeah, I guess that's it. This is my little update on my hair. If you guys have more questions, just let them down below and I'm going to answer them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Also, if you want to see how I achieve this makeup look, just click here. Bye. That's a tongue twisting. I did got the yellow. Doesn't make any sense. I also got the purple hint of yellow, orange. I'm sorry. Then they also have one that it says no purple. What?